Yes, beta, yesterday we were revising the law spring, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what did I tell you about Seemapuri? Who will answer me? Where
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, Seemapuri is a small village on the outskirts of Delhi.
It is not a small village, actually it is a place on the periphery or the outskirts of Delhi, and tons of garbage is thrown there. It was a wilderness many years back. It was wilderness, matlab nobody lived there, ek tarah ka jungle hi tha wo. But now it still is wilderness because it is not a residential place. But now the writer says 10,000 ragpickers. It was many years back. Now the population, it might have increased, isn't it? It might have been doubled. Okay. भाई ये तो चैप्टर बहुत पहले लिखा गया था, उस समय थी 10,000 पॉपुलेशन ऑफ रैग पिकर्स, तो बेटा अब तो इंक्रीज हो गई होगी, राइट, डबल हो गई होगी. तो दे लिव देयर एंड देयर इज नो प्रॉपर सीवेज सिस्टम नहीं है, ड्रेनेज सिस्टम नहीं है ना. बट दे जस्ट बिल्ड द टेम्परेरी हाउसेस. कैसे बनाते हैं, मड और टिन और टेरापोलिन के हाउसेस बना लेते, हट्स बना लेते रादर, एंड दे लिव देयर एंड all the men and women and means all the people and the animals coexisting together. And these people, they hardly have any hygienic sense too. Okay. And they have been living here, the writer says, more than 30 years without an I card, without permit card, but they have ration cards which make them eligible to buy rations or to buy grains from the ration shops and make them eligible as the citizens of India. Okay, they are there on the voters list. Now when Ani is young, she questions to them, why did you leave your green fields? Okay, so the answer was given by them was that it's better to stay here instead of living in Dhaka or Bangladesh, though those places
Ma'am,
are
your
green.
voice is not clear.
Beta, some network problem might be there. What can I do then? You might be having network
Okay, ma'am.
problem. Okay, मुझे तो आपकी आवाज
Okay,
क्लियर आ
ma'am.
रही है, आपके उधर होगा कोई. पोजीशन चेंज कर लो
Okay,
अपनी
ma'am.
फेस की, लैपटॉप या
मैम अब आ
मोबाइल
गई
के,
आ गई.
ठीक है.
मैम आ
तो
गई अब. Yes, ma'am.
so when Ani is young, she questions them, why did you leave green fields and all? Okay, and you just migrated here. तो उनका यही जवाब था कि food is more important than green fields. Those green fields that do not give us any food to eat, that do not give us any grains. Okay, so it's better to leave such fields. Why? Because very often, you know, lot of storms and floods, they come in Bangladesh and they just sweep away all the fields, all the homes and everything, है ना, सब बहा कर ले जाते हैं. So it's better to stay here. Why? Because for them food is more important to survive, okay, to live. And जब आई कार्ड्स के लिए भी पूछा गया तो उनका भी यही था कि आइडेंटिटी से ज्यादा फूड इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट टू लिव, टू फिल द स्टमक्स. एंड उनका ये कहना था कि if at the end of the day if we are able to fill our stomachs, then it's better that we should stay here, we should live here instead of those green fields that do not give us anything to eat. समझ में आया? There they have their families also, they give birth to children and children also grow up with them, and later on they become partners in the earnings. Okay, in the earnings, how even these children, they start doing rat picking and all. And now the writer says it has acquired the proportion of an art, you know, like एक fine art होता है, उसमें you're very very much perfect, you know. Similarly, now they are very perfect in doing this thing, in rag picking. And for them, garbage is very precious. It is equivalent to gold. It is so precious. Why? Because they take out all the useful things, okay, and they sell it there in the market and they get money in return. Means it is a source of earning for them, beta, है ना. कमाने का एक जरिया, एक माध्यम है उनके लिए गार्बेज, है ना. गार्बेज किसी गोल से कम नहीं है उन लोगों के लिए. उनकी डेली ब्रेड है, रोजी रोटी है, a roof over their heads, though even it is a leaking roof. मतलब sometimes they are able to earn more, sometimes they are able to earn very little, sometimes they do not earn anything. तब भी उन्हें लगता है कि कम से कम एक छत तो है उनके सिर के ऊपर. that gives them support, okay, that gives them a kind of a shelter. और बच्चों के लिए it is something more than earning, okay, something more than livelihood. अब बच्चों के लिए ये सब चीजें कुछ ज्यादा क्यों हैं? See, now Sahib, you know, again the chapter where it started, we are going to continue from there. कि जब अनीस जंग ने पूछा था कि why do you just scrounge in the garbage, what do you get? तो अब वो जवाब देता है कि I sometimes find a rupee and sometimes even a 10 rupee note. Okay, अब जानबूझ के तो लोग बाग नहीं फेंकते ना, डेलिबरेटली वो नहीं करते ना, ऑन पर्पस तो नहीं फेंकते. ठीक है, बहुत सारी चीजें जो होती हैं बेटा वो खो जाती हैं या गिर जाती हैं, तो कई बार गार्बेजेस में चली जाती हैं बाय मिस्टेक. तो इसीलिए वो बच्चा कहता है, यू नो, समटाइम्स आई फाइंड अ रूपी, समटाइम्स मे बी 10 रुपी, 5 रुपी, समटाइम्स मे बी मोर देन दैट. ओके, और एकदम से है ना उसकी आईज जो होती हैं ना लाइट अप हो जाती हैं, राइट. And then the writer says कि suppose if they find a coin or maybe a 2 rupee coin or a note, they don't stop looking for it. Okay, instead, you know, a desire, you know, a wish, okay, a hunger, it takes place in them to look for more and more in the garbage. समझ में आया? एक हंगर डेवलप हो जाती है कि हम और देखें, टू फाइंड मोर रुपीज इन द गार्बेज, मे बी शायद उनको और ज्यादा मिल जाए. एंड शी सेज इट सीम्स गार्बेज जो बच्चों के लिए है, इट हैज अ डिफरेंट मीनिंग, है ना. ओके, a different meaning for the parents as well as a different meanings for a different meaning for the children. For parents, it is a means of survival, a means to earn something, a means to earn money, okay, livelihood. But for a child, it is something wrapped in wonder, in surprise. See, when you go to a birthday of a small child, you just wrap a gift for them, okay. It is somewhat like a surprise to them and they are very eager to open it, to look into it, isn't it? ऐसा होता है ना, बच्चे के लिए आप
Yes,
गिफ्ट
ma'am.
लेके जाते हो तो रैप्ड होता है, तो बच्चों के अंदर एक ईगरनेस होती है, एक डिजायर, एक हंगर होती है, फटाफट दे वांट टू ओपन ऑल द गिफ्ट्स, यू नो, एंड दे वांट टू सी. ओके, सिमिलरली ये जो है बेटा हीप ऑफ गार्बेज, ये भी समवॉट एक सरप्राइज है उनके लिए, है ना. दे जस्ट वांट टू स्क्राउंज इन इट, they just want to find out in it, okay, money and many other things which they enjoy, okay, which they relish, which they want, they find in the garbage. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now Anis Jung, she says that one winter morning, you know, she sees Sahib who was standing there, है ना. This Anis Jung, she had a tennis club in her neighborhood, and there she sees that Sahib Alam, he was standing there, and he very intently, you know, very keenly, he was watching two men who were playing tennis. And he was wearing discolored shirt and discolored shorts and everything. So when Anis Jung, she looks at his dress, okay, and 1 minute, and at that particular day, he was wearing tennis shoes that had a hole in them. Got it? समझ में आया? In one of the shoes, there was
Yes,
a
ma'am.
hole, but he was wearing it, right? And Anis Jung says that maybe those were the discarded shoes of a rich boy who refused to wear them because of the hole in one of it. Okay, तो कहती हैं कि शायद वो किसी रिच बॉय के थे कि होल हो गया था, इस वजह से उस बच्चे ने रिजेक्ट कर दिए थे. But Sahib Alam, he was wearing it, and it was somewhat like a dream come true for this boy who had never owned a pair of shoes all his life. उसके लिए तो एक सपना सच हो गया था बेटा, जिसने पूरे जीवन भर, है ना, शूज नहीं देखे थे। तो when Anis Jung, you know, when she talks to साहिब आलम, तो वो कहता है, you know, Anis Jung पूछती हैं कि whether you like this game or not. तो कहता है, of course I like the game. And he says that the guard, you know, the gatekeeper, he will allow me to go inside when nobody will be there. Okay, so the guard, you know, एक बच्चा समझ के, he would allow this little boy to move inside and to use the swing, okay, when nobody was there. And then Anis Jung says ki, okay, fine, it is possible for him to enter the tennis club, okay, that is fine. The guard, the gatekeeper allows him to do so, but the game he's watching so keenly, so intently, that he will never be able to play in his life. It is out of his reach. वो उसकी पहुंच से बाहर है. Now after some days, what does Anis Jung see? She sees that Sahib, you know, he is walking to the milk booth, and in his hand he was having a steel canister. Steel canister समझते हो ना? Steel का एक पीपा था, एक कंटेनर, एक डिब्बा था, एक पीपा था, okay, canister था. जब वो कॉन्वर्सेशन होता है अनीस जंग से, तो he comes out with the truth और कहता है, I have started working in the tea stall, and the tea stall owner, he pays me 800 rupees, and all my meals, means meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner, everything he pays. तो अनीस जंग देखती हैं कि उसके चेहरे पर जो लॉस्ट, जो केयरफ्री लुक्स था ना, that has been lost. Carefree looks means now he was burdened with the responsibilities, you know, burdened with the responsibility of working under somebody. Got it or not? When you are your own master, you do your
Yes,
own
ma'am.
business, you are your own master, you work according to yourself, right? You are not
Yes, ma'am.
burdened. You are not under the burden of responsibilities. You don't have any duties that are to be fulfilled. Clear? Whenever you feel like you can just move on to your shop or to your factory or to your industry. And in case the day you are not well or you have some urgent work, okay, you can suspend going there. But if you're working under somebody, a lot of burden is there, you know. Whether you're fine or not, whether you are in the mood of going or not, you have to move on, you have to go and fulfill the duties. समझ रहे हो? यू आर नॉट केयरफ्री, केयरफ्री नहीं रहते हो आप. समझ में आया? तो अनीस जंग देखती है कि उसने सारे केयरफ्री लुक्स जो थे उसके खत्म हो गए थे. द स्टील कैनिस्टर बिलोंग्स टू द ओनर ऑफ द टी शॉप. ओके, टी स्टॉल ओनर का था स्टील कैनिस्टर, ये भी जिम्मेदारी थी. बट द बैग दैट ही ऑलवेज had on his shoulders belonged to him when he was his own master. Okay, now the canister belongs to the man who was the owner of the tea shop, and now Sahib, he was no longer his own master. He was under the responsibilities. He had to do the duties that were put on him, so all his carefree looks were lost. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Anything
ma'am.
to
Yes,
be
ma'am.
asked? कुछ पूछना है? Anything to be asked?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Nikhil, a nice pick.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Anything to be asked, Peter? Okay. Now the second. अच्छा ठीक है. कल तो I'm going to take your test ना, भूलना नहीं. So now see the next part. Okay, next part is about Mukesh. You might have heard. और बेटा ये सब क्या है? ये fiction नहीं है. Factual descriptions हैं ये. Okay, the real descriptions. Now the second one, it is all about Mukesh.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mukesh is a bangle maker, and Firozabad, you know, it is famous for glass blowing industry. सारा कांच का जितना भी glass का सामान है ना, it is made in Firozabad only. Okay, and the bangles that is worn by, है ना, hundreds and hundreds of women all around the country, you know, it is made, all those bangles are made in Firozabad. लेकिन ये बड़ी pathetic baat hai. It is very painful to know that the bangle makers, you know, who makes the bangles, generations and generations have been passed since they have been making the bangles, and they dare not to change their profession. All of their life they work very, very hard, but still they are not able to fill their stomachs, okay, not able to get one full meal. Got it? And the most pathetic and painful thing is many of them before seeing their adulthood they become blind. बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं जो एडल्ट होने से पहले ही ब्लाइंड हो जाते हैं. Why? Because when they make the bangles, okay, lot of dust comes out, okay, glass dust जो होता है ना ग्लास का, कांच का, it comes out in the form of small particles, बहुत छोटे छोटे tiny particles के रूप में it comes out and it enters their eyes. समझ में आया? It enters their eyes and slowly they lose the brightness of their eyes, and a time comes when they become totally blind. समझ में आ गया? तो ये बहुत पैथेटिक कंडीशन है. दे डेयर नॉट टू चेंज देयर प्रोफेशन. इस तरह से ये लोग फंस चुके हैं कि चाहकर भी दे आर नॉट एबल टू चेंज देयर प्रोफेशन. Why? They have been caught in the web of poverty, है ना, गरीबी के जाल में तो फंस ही चुके. Whereas they have been caught by the bureaucrats, by the middleman, by the industrialists, by the officers and all. ठीक है, उनके वेब में, उनके जाल में पूरी तरह से फंस चुके हैं कि they dare not to move out. But Anees Jung, you know, she sees this boldness, this dareness in a young boy Mukesh, who says that he is going to change his profession. He will become a motor mechanic. And these bangle makers, you know, from generations and generations, they have been doing this work of bangle. And now bangle making, you know, it has got a stigma of caste. एक stigma होता है, एक कलंक लग गया उन पे caste का. Stigma is the caste, okay? कलंक होता है जिसको, it has been put, okay, on them. They are suffering from this stigma, right? And they think that it has become a tradition. Got it? It has become a tradition. It is not a profession. It is a God-given lineage. Means it is a tradition or a custom or a profession given by God, and we cannot change it. So Mukesh, Anees Jung, she sees a dareness in Mukesh and talks to Mukesh, and when she visits Mukesh's house, you know, it was there in the slum area with narrow lanes and all the people living there, and with them the animals and all. We all know they do not have any hygienic sense, these poor people, and no drainage, no sewage system as the rag pickers. They live in similar conditions. They were living there, and when she enters Mukesh's house, she sees that it was half built, means the house was being renovated, and one three of the men were there, and Mukesh's eldest brother's wife, she was cooking food there, and Mukesh's grandmother, you know, she was sitting there, and she sees that even her husband had become blind, and informs Anees Jung that he had become blind from polishing the glass bangles. And then when Anees Jung puts up a question, why don't you people leave this business, this profession, not business, rather this profession, and just continue with some other? So she says that can a God-given lineage ever be broken? Can a God-given lineage, means a tradition given by God, can we ever break it? She says, okay. And born in the caste of bangles, they have seen nothing but only bangles and bangles all around. Now the people, the bangle makers, you know, they just load these bangles, the spirals of bangles. Spirals क्या होते हैं? जो bunches होते हैं, जो गुच्छे होते हैं bangles के, they just load it on their four-wheeled cars, जो four-wheeled cars होती है, ठेले होते हैं उस पर, and they just carry it in Firozabad, in the narrow streets of Firozabad. And then Anis Jung, she sees that Savita was sitting with an elderly woman, and this elderly woman, you know, she was having bangles in her hands, but uh, no light in her eyes, means even she was blind. Now this girl, she doesn't know the importance of these bangles. Anis Jung, she says that she will know the importance of these bangles the day she would become a bride. Okay, and then this woman who was sitting with her, she tells Anis Jung कि एक वक्त शेर भर खाना भी नहीं खाया हमने. Okay, means we did not even enjoy one full meal in her entire lifetime. Remember, पूरे जीवन भर, कहते हैं एक समय भी ऐसा नहीं कि हमें भरपेट खाना मिले, है ना. और उसके हस्बैंड जो ओल्ड मैन है, even he says that he had not been able to do nothing. He doesn't know anything except making bangles, and he had only done one thing in his life, that he has built a house for the family to live in. जब वो ऐसा कहता है, Anis Jung, you know, she is wondered, she is surprised कि he had done something in which lakhs and lakhs of people fail. कैसे many of the people, you know, they pass on their life living in rented house and they are not able to build a house. Why? Because it costs too much. लेकिन इस गरीब आदमी के पास जो कुछ भी पैसा था, है ना, अपनी मीगर अर्निंग में, he had built a small कच्चा और पक्का house for the family to live in. And then the cry of not having the money and to carry on this profession. Okay, it sounds in every home. ये रोना कि पैसा नहीं है, ये प्रोफेशन ही कैरी ऑन होना है, ये हर घर में ये आवाज सुनाई देती है. और Anis Jung, she talks to a group of young men, you know, who were standing there, कि why don't you organize themselves into yourself into unions or cooperatives, अपने आप को organize क्यों नहीं करते हो. तो उनका क्या जवाब था कि even if we get organized, we will be the ones who will be caught by the police and would be beaten up for doing something illegal, though they won't be doing anything illegal बेटा. लेकिन गरीब इंसान है तो they would be surely blamed by the owners, by the bureaucrats and all. Okay, और यदि वो अपनी आवाज उठाएंगे भी तो यूनियंस अपने बनाएंगे भी तो, and they will ask for the rights, for the demands to be fulfilled. In क्या होगा, instead of getting the demands fulfilled, they will be caught by the police and would be dragged to the jail for doing something illegal. यानी उन पर allegations लगेंगे that they had been doing something against the law. तो उनमें कहीं भी ये डेयरनेस नहीं है, पर ये डेयरनेस वो मुकेश में देखती हैं. और उनकी बातें सुन के टू डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड जो है अनीस जंग के दिमाग में आते हैं. कॉट इन द वेब ऑफ पॉवर्टी, एक तो रैग पिकर्स का था, स्टिग्मा ऑफ कास्ट यानी मार्क ऑफ डिसग्रेस, एक ब्लेम जो कास्ट का था, रैग पिकिंग का, इन विच दे आर बोर्न, दे हैव टू डू रैग पिकिंग. और दूसरा जो क्रूअल सर्कल्स ऑफ साहूकार, मिडलमैन, ब्यूरोक्रेट्स, इनके चुंगल में फंसा हुआ था, द बैंगल मेकर्स. ओके, और इतना ज्यादा इन सब ने मिलके द बर्डन दे हैव पुट दिस बैगेज ऑन अ चाइल्ड दैट ही इज नॉट एबल टू पुट इट ऑफ ऑल हिज लाइफ. इतना ज्यादा, है ना, बच्चों के ऊपर बर्डन डाल रखा है. कैसे, you know, they are always in debt, these poor children, these poor people. Why? Because their earning is very very meager, बहुत कम earning होती है उनकी. So ये क्या करते हैं, they borrow money, okay, from the masters. अब वो money इतना borrow हो, चाहे वो थोड़ा ही borrow करते हैं, लेकिन वो so much of interest is being charged, okay, by the money lenders, कि even the generations have to keep on repaying it, and they are caught in this web. Okay, फंस चुके होते हैं इतनी बुरी तरह that they are not able to come out. Okay, तो वो जैसे naturally उनके father ने accept करा होता है, similarly even they accepted बेटा. And then यदि कुछ और सोचना है उन्हें, it means lot of dareness, boldness is required, and dareness, you know, it is not a part of their growing up. Okay, बड़ा उससे उनको brought up करा जाता है. Why? Because their fathers, their forefathers, all do not possess any kind of boldness and dareness, and they accept everything as it is. Okay. And finally वो कहती हैं कि मुकेश, you know, ये dareness उसके अंदर है. He wants to be a motor mechanic, and he says that he will go to a garage and learn this work of motor mechanic. Anees Jung उससे मजाक करती हैं कि do you also dream of flying the planes? But he does not answer. He is quite embarrassed, and he is he's embarrassed, and he is very much content. He is very much satisfied. You know, he doesn't think of flying the planes or something related to that work. Why? Because he's content to dream to become a motor mechanic. He is content of dream to become a motor mechanic. Why? Because he sees many cars, you know, moving in the city, and all those things are within his reach. है ना? Reaching to the airplanes, that is beyond his reach. इसलिए वो ऐसे ही सपने देखता है, that is within his reach. Okay, why very few airplanes they fly over Firozabad, and it is all beyond his dreams, you know, beyond him to reach there. Clear, beta?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, hurry up, Anushka.
Ma'am, how Savita is related to Mukesh's life?
Are she's
Ma'am,
not
if she is a
related.
family
She's a
member,
bangle maker. She's a bangle maker. She was sitting there. Anees Young visits Mukesh's house, isn't it? And the whole area where these bangle makers had been living there. So Anees Young, she was a writer. She might have noticed Savita also, who was sitting with an elderly woman there. Okay. So,
okay, ma'am.
so you know, writers, they are very curious, beta. They are very eager. Okay, to talk to people. Why? Because they need lot of material to write. Right now she wanted to write upon these, she wanted to write for these bangle makers. She was writing on these bangle makers, you know. So what is that? जो उनका ये था ना, discoveries and everything, you know, उनकी जो ये inquiries वगैरह थी, it was not limited. समझ में आया? सिर्फ मुकेश से ही बात करके she did not just begin writing, you know, she had to contact other bangle makers also, because she needs lots and lots of detail to do the writing. Every writer, you know, before writing on any particular topic, he or she visits that particular places, make lots and lots of inquiries, okay, from the people on
Okay,
that
ma'am.
particular subject. Similarly, Anees Jung was also doing it better. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
How
ma'am.
many chapters you are going to prepare? First and second.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, MCQs I'm going to give you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Maybe MCQ,
Yes, ma'am.
maybe one word answer. Okay, thank
Okay,
you
ma'am.
and take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you.